Are you ready to truly step into your magnetic superpower? You see those people, they walk into a room, they're magnetic, they magnetize more money, more success, more abundance into their life. What are their secrets? Well, in this video, I'm about to share with you 5 magnetic secrets for how you can truly magnetize more love, more money, more success in your life. So grab a pen and a piece of paper because I'm about to teach you law of attraction secrets to magnetizing success into your life. But before we dive in, welcome in. I'm Melinda with Infinite Guided Coaching, your manifestation quantum success coach, helping you achieve a success in your life. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I want to go over with you, magnetic people. When you see someone that's truly magnetic, what is it that they possess? What is the key that they possess? And if you really look at them, many of them have excellent posture. You see, they're not sitting like this. They're not slouching down. They have their shoulders back. They're sitting up very tall, or they're standing up very tall. Shoulders back, right? This is truly a sign of confidence, right? Telling others when you walk into a room with your shoulders back, or how you were sitting, and also on your facial features as well too. You see, the way that you portray yourself to others, it's in a small environment or a large environment, having your shoulders back, excellent posture with a beautiful look on your face is truly important. You are sending a signal that you are confident, that you are powerful, that you believe in yourself, right? Many times you'll see people and it's really like you really don't want to talk to them, right? If you see someone that's slouched over like this, it makes you feel like that they don't believe in themselves, that they don't want to talk to anybody, that they're not approachable. So be sure to really have that magnetic energy and really have that beautiful posture when you are sending that signal out to the universe and to others that you are powerful, that you are confident. Number 2, my secret to truly having that magnetic energy is meditation and hypnosis. Now, you've heard me speak about this quite a bit, but this is something that I believe in with all my heart, mind, and body and soul. Why? Because when I am having a bad day, and yes, I have bad days too, this is something that I do. I meditate on what I'm wanting to bring into my life. You see, when you get yourself stuck in that fear and anxiety and you don't move forward into meditation, you're stuck in lack. Versus meditation helps you bring you back into the moment of now. All right, not worrying about the future, not worrying about the past, but you're really getting yourself into the present moment. You're really calming your mind and getting yourself into that present moment of what is important for you, recentering your mind, body, and soul for ultimate success. And that is why meditation and hypnosis are truly life changers. Check out all of my meditations and my hypnosis videos because they will help you step into magnetizing success into your life. If you can really visualize and step into that meditation, it's going to change your life. Number 3 is really releasing the need to control others, right? When you are in that mentality of lack, right? You are separating yourself from magnetizing success and money and abundance, right? You see those that are having to control others, right? They tell them how things have to be, how things have to look. They walk into a room and they say, no, it has to be this way. You have to always have it that way, right? That is really someone who is stuck in fear and that lower vibrational energy. You see, we cannot change others, but however, we can, on the contrary, change ourselves. We can see what we need to work on, right? We can release that control of having to control others and realizing that we need to work on ourselves, right? We cannot control others, but we can control ourselves, right? So separating ourselves from that control energy, because that is really being stuck in fear, right? The number 4th thing that I want to tell you that can help you magnetize success, help you be truly magnetic in your life is knowing how to be productive. And when you get stuck, and some days, like I said, I do. And what do? I meditate, but also it helps to change your environment. You see, many times I will go for a walk, right? That changes my energy. Or I may go get a massage, or I may go meditate, right? I do self-care to change that thought pattern and really understand what it is to fill my cup that's going to change my energy back to have that magnetized energy, right? Self-care is truly important, right? Many times, a lot of my clients, they go, right? And they don't stop and they don't listen to their internal guidance system, your internal intuition, your internal guidance system, which sometimes can tell you to take a nap. Yes, sometimes taking a nap is really, really important for your production, right? Sometimes doing that to-do list can help you with your production and really get you back on that magnetic energy, right? It's truly, truly important to listen to your internal guidance system. And sometimes, many times, self-care is very, very important. So the last thing that I want to go over with you, and there are many other things, but the last thing is knowing that your vibe is your tribe. Who are you hanging out around with? Who are the 5 to 10 people that you have been surrounding your time and your energy with? Right? Are they wealthy? Are they successful? Are they abundant? Are they positive people? You see, many times if you hang around people that are negative, you're going to absorb that energy. You're going to start being more negative. However, if you realize that by putting yourself around positive people, guess what? You then will start being magnetic and positive and very, very, very powerful. So there you have it, my loves. Those are the 5 keys to truly stepping into that magnetic, powerful, abundant energy. And by the way, if you haven't already checked out my Manifesting Your Dream Life Infinite ebook, check it out because I walk you through the entire process. I even show you how to do a vision board and walk you through that too. So check it out. It's absolutely free. Until next time, my loves, in love and light, I will see you soon.